Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to block someone on Xbox. If you feel like you need a break from toxic messages or unwanted people while gaming, blocking someone is a quick and effective way. First of all, open up the Xbox application on your device and log into your account. Once you're inside the home page of Xbox, go ahead and tap on the People or the Friends tab at the bottom. From here, go ahead and find the person you want to block if you want to block someone from your friend list. If you want to search for the person since they are not in your friend list, you can tap the search icon at the bottom. Now, go ahead and type in the name of the people you'd like to block. You can go to the People tab and type in the name of the person in the search bar. After finding the person, open up their profile section. Now, click on the three dots right next to Add Friends. And then, at the bottom pop-up, select Block. Confirm that you'd like to block them by tapping Block once again. And right after you do that, the contact will be blocked from your Xbox account. Blocking someone means you won't receive messages or invites from them. They will be removed from your friend list if they were your friend. So with just a few simple steps, you have blocked unwanted contacts on Xbox. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.